Hi, I'm Ronny from Achtung Camper, and I'm going to show you today how to empty our nature head toilet. So that is our compost toilet. So like every day when you use it, you go camping. So there's little clips on the side. You lift them up like that. A little bit fast now. No? So that's locked. So you just flick them down
on both sides.
On both sides. Then you lift that up, and then you can take your wee canister out, so that you can empty then outside or in a dumping point if you want to. But if you're in a national park, you can empty that near the trees or somewhere, because it's only urine. So that can be, you can put that back in then. And for emptying the poo area, which will go in there, you have to take that off here on the side. See, there's a little fan. You just push that back, that hose. Then you can lift that unit up a little bit and pull it out to your left. Then I would take that outside.
Take it completely outside.
Have that one out as well. And then there's two bolts on both sides. You take them out, and on the other side as well. And then you can take that whole unit out and empty it. What I usually do is I get like a 70 liter, like a heavy duty garbage bag, and I pull that around here, pull it tight, and then only turn it upside down, and then just bring it back in.
Yeah, and you can empty that garbage bag in the compost.
Yep. All right, and then it does not smell if you do the right things. And then to put it back in, just feed that hinge in on the back. Put your urine bottle back in. Oh, I'm hooked. And you're ready to go. So, and
plug the fan back in, is it?
Yep. Plug the fan back in. And you have the power for the fan as well here. Just plug that in. And then ready to go.
That's why it never smells in here no matter what you do in the toilet, because we've got a electric fanny vent thing which is pulling the smells outside. It's genius. Should have one in every house, shouldn't we?
Yeah.
Thank you, Ronny.
Bye.